In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices and collect payments. We'll walk through the exact flow in Jobber so you can turn a completed job into a clear, professional invoice and record payment without missing a detail. By the end, you'll know what each screen is asking for, why it matters, and how to keep everything accurate and client-friendly. Start by opening your Jobber dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with the right permissions and that the work you're billing for is marked complete or ready to invoice. From the main navigation, go to Jobs. This view lists your upcoming work, active work, and items that require invoicing. Find the job that needs to be billed, then open it. Reviewing the job first helps you confirm the scope, time, and materials before you generate the invoice. Inside the job, select Create Invoice. Jobber will pull in the client details, line items, rates, and taxes tied to that work. Take a moment to double-check quantities, unit prices, and any discounts. Small corrections here prevent back and forth with the client later. When the invoice generator loads, click Next Step to confirm the work order you're invoicing and move into the final setup. You'll be prompted to set the service date. Click Set Service Date and choose the date the work was performed. For this demo, I'll select the 29th as an example. The service date is important for your records, seasonal reporting, and the client's understanding of when the work occurred. It also helps align your invoice with job timelines and any warranties or service windows you provide. You'll see spaces for a client message and internal notes. The client message appears on the invoice. Use it for a polite greeting, a brief summary of the work, and clear payment terms or due dates. Keep it friendly and concise. Internal notes are private to your team. Add context such as follow-up tasks, material specifics, or anything helpful for future reference. Avoid putting sensitive information in client-facing fields. Once everything looks correct, choose Save and Collect Payment. This saves the invoice and brings you to the payment screen so you can record what the client pays. Confirm the totals and taxes, then proceed. Finally, click Save to finalize the payment and mark the invoice as paid. This updates the client's account, your receivables, and your reports automatically. Before saving, it's a good habit to review the amount, reference number, and notes to ensure accuracy. That's the full process from job to paid invoice. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.